Hello and welcome to German with Academy. Today I will be talking about the German S, double S and sharp S. So first of all, the sharp S is often also referred to as SZ. So depending on where in German you are or who you learn German from, you will be either hearing the term scharfes S, sharp S, or SZ. Alright, so what is the difference between those? The double S and sharp S are actually pronounced the same way by just simply blowing air through your teeth, like s. So it's a very easy flow of air. There's no vibration to it, whereas a standard single S kind of vibrates. Sehen, sagen. Okay, can you hear the difference? Ich heiße, ich heiße, ich sehe. Okay, there's a difference in the pronunciation. And we'll give you a few examples to look a little bit closer at the pronunciation. Sehen. Hear that vibration in the beginning. Sehen. Sagen. Then we have the double S. Fluss. Der Fluss. You can hear that the U sound before it is actually short, and the stress is on the double S. Fluss. Kuss. The sharp S, however, will not take the stress, and we have a longer U sound. Okay, der Fuß, die Soße. So you hear that the sound that comes before the sharp S will always be longer. We also have the letter combination ST and SP. So the ST is pronounced as ST and the SP as SP. So Stein, Spaß. Der Stein, der Spaß. If you find this type of video useful, please subscribe to my channel and like this video so I can create more German content for you. Also, if you want to learn more German, have a look at the description. I posted a few links of platforms that I've used in the past to learn Portuguese, and I believe these platforms will also be helpful for you to learn German. Also comment what you would like me to cover next, and I'll see you in the next video. Bis dann. Tschüss.